All right. Well, nice to meet you, Jamie. My name is Tara, so I'm going to go through your consultation here. So, give me a little bit of a background of kind of like what's been going on with you in hair systems, what you've been using, what you like, what you don't like, et cetera, et cetera.
Yeah, so I used to have a lovely lock of curly hair until I was about, I think I started shedding or thinning. I think I noticed that about 23, 24.
Yeah.
Um, so it kind of hit me fast as well, very rapid. It wasn't progressive. I'd say in about a year, I kind of every time I was in the shower, lumps and lumps were coming out, and then gradually shaved it, and then you can see the area is no longer there. So honestly, I think I was very insecure. I didn't realize how insecure I was about my hair loss. So I met my girlfriend prior to my hair loss, and she was with it and stuff like that. But I just didn't feel comfortable in my own body. I used to always wear hats, caps, everywhere. If I had to pop outside for 2 minutes, hat on me.
Yeah.
And I was kind of like doomed. I was like, I didn't know anything about the world of hair systems or anything like that before this. So I was kind of just accepted my fate of I'm gonna
Mhm.
have to wear hats everywhere. I'm probably gonna have to wear a hat to my wedding at this at this rate. Um, so I was then on Reddit, on the hair system subreddit, and I was like, wow, this is crazy good because I have a very stereotypical view of when someone says wig to me. I'm like, I
Mhm.
picture it all film and some guy, an old man, just switched over, and I was like, oh my god, these things are very, 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 very good. And um, I was kind of just to and fro, and then I just finally bit the bullet and got it done, and went to a salon, got a cut up and everything like that, and I walked out and I just felt like myself again. I felt great. And I had to say as well, since having the hair system, honestly, I feel so much more comfortable being bald. And I don't know why. I really don't know why. But now I kind of just like just chilling with it. But I don't. I think it's because I have the option now. I think it's because
Yeah.
I have. It's not doom and gloom anymore. I have an option, an alternative, and I think that was what was really killing me. That I had to just kind of accept.
I believe you do have a hair system currently right now that you're
I
using.
a lace front, and then a lace middle, and then the poly around the perimeter.
Okay. And do you like that system? Has it worked for you so far?
Yeah,
You're good with.
it's the only system I've used, so I can't give you a define. Oh my god, this is but I had no problem with it. I had no problem with maintenance. I had no problem with it. Like I kind of like I got my silk pillow and stuff like that. I made sure I once I got it, I made sure of I was gonna take care of it.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was no problem. The maintenance is okay and stuff like that. I have no issue with them.
Doing your own maintenance, or do you have someone that's doing it for you?
So I think the way I've always progressed it is every time I get a new system, I'm gonna go to a salon, and the salon is in Ireland, and they actually specialize in just
Good,
similar.
good.
So every time I'll probably just get the fit cutted, put on base, get a professional to do it, and then usually I'll do my own maintenance myself, kind of taking off glue, reattachment and stuff like that. So yeah, and it's not too bad.
Okay, so, how do you usually like to keep your hair? I guess that's the question, because you really obviously want it to match the best to whatever style you're going to kind of wear it to, right? Whether you're
Yeah.
looking to keep it longer, or are you looking to keep it shorter, which your ideal?
I was having a look at your very useful YouTube videos, and I seen Hector's video, the recent one about him talking about his friends and talking about that, and that hairstyle is something that I've always kind of wanted to try, and it's subtle enough the way he wears it where it's not kind of hanging down or it's like it's a very perfect kind of in a shape, so I mean something like that would be amazing, but I really, once I have hair, I don't really care. I don't mind if I style it up, down, sideways. It doesn't really, it doesn't really matter for me.
Is there a specific kind of density you're looking for?
I think more natural. I forget what I'm after ordering there. I think I was at 100. 100, I think I was at. And I think, well, from your professional opinion, what is the density where you think is the more you hit the sweet spot between not having so much denser, then actually I don't really mind if it's like, yeah, if it's a little bit lighter and a little bit shredded or anything like that. So I would go more for lean on your expertise in that sense, because it's the
Well, you can
natural.
get away, obviously get away. You're still, a fairly young guy. You can get away with obviously having more density of hair. I always tell people, it's really based on your density of hair, based on a lot to do with, where you are in your life cycle. As we get more mature, our hair does thin out more naturally. So obviously a gentleman maybe, is a little bit more mature, might not need as big of a density, as thick as hair, but obviously people who are more young, at their prime, can get away with a bigger density of hair. So now color. So you were saying you had a 2 before, right? Is that what you said, like a darkest brown?
Yeah, I had a 2 brown is what I had.
Okay, and you're wanting to go a little bit darker?
Yeah, just ever so slightly.
Okay,
darker.
so that would just be our brown black, which is, if you can see on the screen, that's basically what it looks like. Yeah.
Yeah, I really do appreciate you jumping on and everything being so fast and everything like that.
No problem.
I'm very excited to try get this done by holiday, and don't worry, you'll have some great videos from Germany. I'll be in a big massive brown suit and everything, and new hair. I'll be great.
Yeah, that'll be awesome.
There'll be some great videos coming your way.
Sounds good. Well, it was so great meeting you, and we will obviously see you soon.
Thank you so much for your time. Have
Thank
a wonderful day.
All right, you too. All right, bye.
Bye.
Bye.